A day after BJP's PM designate Narendra Modi termed his visit to the city of temples as a call from Ma Ganga to serve the people on her banks, senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal mocked Modi by saying that Ma Ganga is wise enough to distinguish between the good, bad and ugly. Chiding Namo, Sibal slammed Modi for trying to be a god. Mocking Modi's remarks that he will purify the holy river, Sibal said.
तो कहते हैं कि गंगा मैली है, मैं गंगा को स्वच्छ कर दूंगा, ये उसने अपने पवित्र पांव रखेंगे, गंगा स्वच्छ हो जाएगी, ये हाथ लगाएंगे, पानी साफ रह जाएगा। भगवान है ना, क्या कहने इनके।
Mocking the BJP's PM nominee, Sibal said the wise Ma Ganga can distinguish between the good, bad and the ugly.
You also made a statement which I read in the newspaper that Ma Ganga has called him. I don't know what that means, because I think that Ma Ganga is very wise and it can distinguish between the good, the bad and the ugly.
Sibal also lashed out at Modi for speaking about the famous Ganga Jamuna culture of the city. During the press conference, Sibal added sardonically that Namo evokes names of legendary personalities when he himself has been far removed from them.
कभी गौतम बुद्ध की बात करते हैं, कभी ये कबीर की बात करते हैं, कभी गालिब की बात करते हैं और गंगा जमनी तहजीब की बात करते हैं। सबसे सरप्राइजिंग तो ये बात है, गौतम बुद्ध ने अपना सिंहासन त्यागा और ये सिंहासन पाने के लिए वाराणसी आ रहे हैं। और बिस्मिल्लाह, जहाँ तक बिस्मिल्लाह खां की बात है, आई रिमेंबर, आई मीन दिस वाज, टू हियर बिस्मिल्लाह वाज समथिंग स्पिरिचुअल. The mellifluous notes of Bismillah's Shehnai touched your heart. And Modi, of course, I don't know how many hearts he touches. So it's very ironic that a man evokes those great personalities and himself is far removed from them.
The Union Minister also took an opportunity to jibe at the Gujarat model of development.
Vibrant Gujarat is full of vibrant lies. And these poor farmers, because they cannot survive on that land, so they are selling their lands. And vibrant Gujarat is being made out of the poverty of farmers. Government is willing to acquire 1 lakh hectares of land by 2020 for industrial projects. And the farmers in this state will have to surrender their land because they cannot hope to make a living without water. और 40,000 करोड़ रुपया फिर allocate हुआ है for the Narmada project, yet the lies continue to be told. The lies are also vibrant. And at the heart of all this is the administration run by a man for whom distorting facts is a daily routine.
This report is brought to you by NNIS.